The Hindu summary 8 October 2016 US lifts economic sanctions on Myanmar. The US on 7 October 2016 lifted sanctions against Myanmar that have been in place for nearly 2 decades. The Treasury Department stated that the economic and financial sanctions administered by the Department of the Treasury's Office of Foreign Assets Control were no longer in effect. The government of Myanmar was under economic sanctions by the US Treasury Department. Pakistan passes long-awaited anti-honor killing and anti-rape legislations. Pakistan Parliament in a joint sitting on 6 October 2016 unanimously passed 2 bills, one seeking to curb murders in the name of honor and the other to punish rapists by use of modern technology of DNA testing in probes involving rape cases. The 2 bills are titled as Criminal Law Amendment, Offences in the Name or on the Pretext of Honor, Bill 2016 and Anti-Rape, Criminal Laws Amendment, Bill 2016. The Anti-Honor Killing Bill states, relatives of the victim will be able to pardon the killer if he/she is awarded capital punishment. However, the culprit will have to face mandatory life sentence, 25 years. 84th Air Force Day observed across India. The Air Force Day 2016 was on 8 October 2016 observed across India. This is the 84th celebration of the day that began in 1932. The Air Force Day was officially celebrated for the first time on 8 October in the year 1932 as an auxiliary air force of Indian Empire. IGI's T3 becomes first platinum-rated green airport terminal building in India. Delhi International Airport Limited, DIAL, announced on 6 October 2016 that the Terminal 3 of Indira Gandhi International Airport, IGI, achieved platinum rating from Indian Green Building Council, IGBC. The plaque and certificate for the achievement was handed over by IGBC to Douglas Webster, Goodile and Roy Sebastian, VP Project and Engineering, during the 14th Green Building Congress, 2016 organized by IGBC in Mumbai. With this, the state-of-the-art Terminal 3 of IGI has become the first platinum-rated green terminal building under Green Existing Building O&M rating system by IGBC. This is another significant environmental achievement by IGI, after being accredited as the first carbon-neutral airport in Asia-Pacific recently by Airports Council International, ACI. The Indian Green Building Council, part of the Confederation of Indian Industry, CII, was formed in 2001. Arjun Vajpayee scales metric ton COAU. Arjun Vajpayee, a 23-year-old professional mountaineer from Noida, became the youngest in the world to scale the Mount Choayu, the 6th highest mountain peak in the world at 8,188 meters above sea level. With this, he has become youngest to climb 5 peaks above 8,000 meter. Gautam Lahiri elected PCI president. Senior journalist Gautam Lahiri was elected president of the Press Club of India, while Vinay Kumar was elected its Secretary General. The election was held on October 1. According to the results for the Press Club elections, Manoranjan Bharti was elected as Vice President, Jomi Thomas was elected the Joint Secretary of the PCI while Arun Kumar Joshi was elected Treasurer. Nobel Peace Prize for Colombia's Juan Manuel Santos. Colombian President Juan Manuel Santos won the 2016 Nobel Peace Prize for FARC agreement. 376 people were nominated this year for the prize. Santos has promised to revive the peace plan even though Colombians, in a referendum, narrowly rejected the accord. Many voters believed it was too lenient on the FARC guerrillas. Last year, the award was given to the Tunisian organization, National Dialogue Quartet. Kabaddi World Cup kicks off in Ahmedabad. The 2016 Kabaddi World Cup kicked off in the presence of captains of the 12 competing nations, including hosts India. Besides the hosts, the US, England, Australia, Iran, Poland, Thailand, Bangladesh, South Korea, Japan, Argentina and Kenya will vie for the top honors. South Korea beat India by 34-32 in opening game. Freedom fighter Ramesh Kulkarni passed away. Freedom fighter and Congress leader Ramesh Kulkarni passed away here following a brief illness. He was 89. Kulkarni, 87, is survived by a son and 2 daughters. He started taking part in the country's freedom movement since his school days. In 1942, he smuggled pamphlets relating to the freedom movement in a tea kettle and was apprehended by the police at Dadar in Mumbai. Manipur theatre legend Kanhai Lal passed away. Manipur-based theatre legend Haisnam Kanhai Lal passed away on 6 October 2016 following a brief illness in Imphal. He was 75. He was awarded Padma Bhushan in 2016 for his contribution in theatre and Sangeeta Natak Academy Award in 1985.